KH Kipper. We are one of Europe's leading manufacturers and Poland's largest manufacturers of tipper bodies for trucks with over 12 tons gross vehicle weight. Since 1997, we have been designing and delivering advanced solutions for the construction, mining, municipal, energy, and agricultural sectors. Our strength lies in the ability to create unique products precisely tailored to the individual requirements of our clients, going beyond standard market offerings. We specialize in producing tipper bodies, hook lift systems, trailers, and semi-trailers, which are delivered to over 70 countries worldwide. Annually, we produce over 2,000 products, 80% of which are exported. With a modern design office and state-of-the-art machinery, we ensure the highest quality and reliability at every stage of production. We employ over 500 specialists across 2 production facilities. KH Kipper represents 100% European production, generating an annual turnover of over 70 million euros. KH Kipper combines experience, innovation, and a comprehensive approach. We create solutions that set standards in heavy transport. KH Kipper. The future begins today. Tippers designed to meet challenges.